My boots wander home along sleeping streets, syncopating heels in a sidewalk beat in village stillness. Up over the hills, tiny clouds loft, sail through a great moon glow. The sun mirrored there in a soft golden light, with the half moon reclining as if in a hammock, languid and dreamy like a lover in her afterglow. When I turn, sudden onslaughts of orange blossoms and wood smoke besiege me, envelop me, drown me. Orange blossoms and wood smoke, the heads and tails of the fork in the road, the yin and yang of the past before me, the orange blossoms of tomorrow's longing, the wood smoke of earth under my fingernails. Orange blossoms and wood smoke, the time already lived, the life yet to come. The rock in the middle of the pond surrounding the rock. I hear the lapping, I see the ripples. Orange blooms wafting sweet and high. Wood stoves surging musky and low, here and gone. Sun and moon, here and gone. Orange blossoms and wood smoke, here and gone. Orange wood smoke blossoms the night air light, the nothing load, awake and clear, where the heart lies, I am home.